Dating has changed more in the last 20 years than it did in the last 200 years. And if you don't understand the timeline of how we got here, you're already playing the wrong game. I've been around long enough to see every era, the cold approach pickup days, the explosion of dating apps, the Me Too movement, and now Instagram completely dominating everything. And today I'll break down the exact phases of modern dating, why cold approach collapsed, and why Instagram is the only way to win in dating in 2025. So this was the golden age of pickup. Neil Strauss dropped the game, and suddenly everybody wanted to learn how to cold approach. RSD Nation, the inner circles, they were all packed with guys all around the world, trading in field reports, going out together to do cold approach in person. And then Real Social Dynamics took over. Owen Cook, RSD Tyler, RSD Julian, RSD Max, and some of the other OGs, Adam Lyons, Jared Lawrence, boot camps, infield footage, inner circles in every single city. Thousands of guys hitting up the clubs every single weekend or doing day game in Union Square, the Grove, Lincoln Road, 20 to 50 cold approaches per day or per night. For over a decade, cold approach was the only method. Then dating apps hit. Tinder, Bumble, OkCupid, and at first, they were so easy. You upload a couple random photos, throw in a lazy bio, and you could actually get matches and dates. It was the Wild West. No one was optimizing any of the apps yet. Average guys were still getting results. It was a new time where you actually could check somebody out online and essentially get a glimpse of who they are as a person on one page, and nobody really knew what they were doing. They were just throwing photos up there, random bio, answering the questions, all the different survey questions that OkCupid or Match, whatever, had you fill out. So girls didn't know what to expect, and there really was no bar set as far as how high quality of a man you need to be to actually get some sort of results. And then came the Me Too movement, and that flipped everything on its head. Cold approach became suddenly socially dangerous. Guys were terrified of being seen as creepy or weird. Pickup companies were deplatformed. YouTube channels were taken down, and what had been a thriving community basically collapsed overnight. 2016 and 2018 marked the death of cold approach as the mainstream strategy, to the point where some malls and even Canada, I think it was Toronto, were literally banning cold approach. At the same time, dating apps got saturated. Millions of men joined, and women swiped left on almost all of them. The numbers game stopped working. And while that was all happening, Instagram quietly took over. Since its first release, it was slowly picking up traction. In 2016, in August, Instagram had developed their own type of story. Snapchat had the stories, so it was kind of a battle of which platform are you using, Instagram for just purely photos or Snapchat for just purely stories that disappear within 24 hours. When Instagram launched their own story, now you didn't need Snapchat anymore. Now everything you needed was on Instagram, and then that's when it took over. So stories launched on Instagram in 2016, and by 2017, everybody was on Instagram. So girls moved from Snapchat to Instagram, and it became the new filter system. And for the first time in history, women could screen every man's lifestyle before even replying to his message. And what was the result? The top 1% of men, the ones who knew how to position themselves as high status, got all the attention. And the other 80 to 90% of men filtered out, ignored, and completely invisible. And now, in 2025, Instagram is the only platform that matters. Dating apps are flooded. Cold approach is dead. If your Instagram isn't optimized, you don't even exist in the dating market. And that's the reality. The pickup era is over. Dating apps are a never-ending swiping trap. And Instagram is now the only app that actually works. And if you don't master it, you'll keep getting ignored while the top guys take all the women. And this is exactly what I help my men do in my mentorship. We take your Instagram, optimize it, and turn it into a dating machine that attracts high-quality women on autopilot. The first step is simple. Get your Instagram reviewed by me for free. So click the link in the description, book your free Instagram profile audit, and I'll show you exactly what to fix today.